Hello, friends. Welcome to OAVA's weekly update on money and economy. We start with news on the best performing asset so far in the year 2023, and that happens to be a cryptocurrency. Yes, you may have guessed it right. We are talking about Bitcoin. Currently, Bitcoin is trading around 40,000 US dollars in price terms, which marks more than 150% rise from the level seen in beginning of 2023. The second best performing asset is also a cryptocurrency, Ethereum, which is trading around 2,222 US dollars in price terms, having given 85% returns during the year. While 2022 marked a year of scams and scandals in the cryptocurrency world, which impacted leading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, 2023 has seen a resurgence of investment and speculative interest in cryptocurrencies. The expected launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs after regulatory approval in the US, which may see interest from leading institutional players and Bitcoin halving event in 2024, as well as innovations in the decentralized finance space, are also among key reasons for the interest and price rise in Bitcoin. Moving on, while cryptocurrencies are yet to find mainstream acceptance and are considered as speculative assets, Indian equities have been performing very well in 2023, with the key BSE Sensex briefly crossing the 70,000 mark during the week. The Nifty 50 index now trades at a 12-month trailing P/E multiple of 24.3 times, 18% higher than this year's low of 20.5 times. The bullish run in the equities market continues with mid caps and small caps outperforming large caps and many active funds outperforming key benchmarks as well. In fact, the Nifty mid-cap 12-month trailing P/E is around 33 times and Nifty small-cap 100 valuation has soared by 80% to 30 times as well. Nevertheless, some experts are sounding caution and say investors should be careful of current high valuations as there are risks like high fiscal deficit, high debt to GDP ratio, a depreciating currency, and signs of overheating in key asset markets. Moving on, even as the Indian equity markets scale new highs, the assets under management of the Indian mutual fund industry has scaled a fresh high as well by crossing the rupees 50 lakh mark in the month of December 2023 as per news reports. Robust inflows, particularly by way of SIPs into equity-oriented funds, hybrid funds, and the recent record rise in major key benchmark indices and stocks has been the main reason. In fact, inflows by way of SIPs touched an all-time high of rupees 17,000 crore in November 2023. Moving on the inflation front, while the RBI has maintained pause on key interest rates and continues to be cautious on inflation, the government too is trying to put efforts to control prices of key vegetables. Recently, the government banned the export of onions till 31st March 2024 in an effort to control prices, which has been on an uptrend. Currently, prices range between Rs 50 to Rs 60 per kg, and the government has defended the decision, saying that onions are an essential food item in the Indian food basket, even while farmers are agitating that the ban should be removed. The latest CPI inflation data released in December for the month of November 2023 showed that CPI, that is retail inflation, rose to 5.55%, a 3-month high, thus necessitating both RBI and government to continue to keep a vigil. That's it for this week from us. Please click like, share if you found our content useful, and do visit our website www.oava.in for information on our courses. See you next week.